How to get exclusive discounts and offers in Korean Year. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in Korean Year promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get discounts on Korean Year flights. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Driver Easy. With that, you're going to find amazing deals and offers for Korean Year. You can see that 10% off, $450 off, special offer, 5% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on Get Code. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Korean Air, log into your account, book your flight, and proceed to confirm your flight. You will get the section of promo code. Over there, you can paste the code and confirm your flight. With that, you will get 10% discount. Likewise, if you want to redeem this code right away, just click on this option, go to Korean Year. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Korean Year. Now you can log into your account, book your flight. While you confirm your order, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your flight. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. For some offers, you won't need the code. You just have to click on Get Deal. Go to the website of Korean Year, log into your account, book your flight, and with that, the selected discount will be directly applied to your flight. So make sure you try out all these offers. Also check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you exclusive discounts and offers for Korean Year. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get promo codes and discounts for Korean Year. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.